First tonight, the nation reacts to an unprecedented leak of a draft opinion from the United States Supreme Court. The draft showing a majority of the justices are set to strike down federal abortion rights that have been upheld for almost 50 years.
The draft is not a final decision, but reaction has been swift. Demonstrations have been happening across the country and are happening right now here in Austin and in New York City. Here's a live look in New York City, where abortion rights supporters have been gathering since last night. The draft opinion published by Politico shows a conservative majority is ready to uphold Mississippi's ban on abortions after 15 weeks. It also shows the Supreme Court will overturn the 1973 Roe versus Wade decision and the 1992 ruling Planned Parenthood versus Casey that reaffirmed a woman's right to an abortion. Chief Justice John Roberts put out a written statement today to address the leak. He said, quote, "Although the document described in yesterday's reports is authentic, it does not represent a decision by the court or the final position of any member on the issues in this case," end quote. Chief Justice Roberts said he's directed the marshal of the court to launch an investigation into the leak.
Now, if that draft opinion stands as written, it would mean a shift in reproductive rights in the United States. Millions of Americans would immediately lose their legal right to an abortion. Demonstrators gathering outside the federal courthouse in downtown Austin tonight. That's where we find KVUE's Darrenisha Heron. Darrenisha.
Guys, it's a lot of passion out here today from abortion right supporters. Women, children, and men are here. One rally was ending and another rally came around the corner chanting, "My body, my choice." I'm going to step aside so you can get a look at what's happening here. There are speakers speaking at the moment, but I think it's safe to say there are hundreds of people out here in support of abortion rights. Earlier today, Travis County Judge De La Garza spoke along with other speakers, but I'm gonna let you guys hear what's happening here right now. Listen in. You can hear how loud that chant was and how loud the claps are, so you just know there is a big group of people out here. And like I said, Travis County Judge Delia Garza spoke just a few moments ago. I'm gonna let you guys hear what she had to say.
And go through natural childbirth. That was a hard choice. Yeah. Those of us who decided to get an epidural, a giant needle up their back to have their child, that was a hard choice. Those of us who had to get a cesarean section to grow their family, that was a hard choice. But we women make the hard choices every single day. We will continue to do that.
All right, and again, more chanting going on here. There are a lot of signs being held up right now. Some say Roe can't go. I am a woman, not a womb. I also spoke to a woman who said she remembers her friends going to Mexico to get abortions before Roe v. Wade and how difficult and scary that was. But I also spoke with a man on the other side who said abortions shouldn't be legal because God makes that decision. And again, we're going to be out here as long as this rally is happening, and you will hear from those people I spoke with tonight at 10. Back to you guys in the studio.
That's KVUE's Darrenisha Heron live for us in downtown Austin. Darrenisha, thank you.